A very warm and pleasant morning to all of you, honorable jury members and professors. I am Kaneka Jha of batch 2020-21. Today I am here to express my views in favor of digital marketing in agriculture. I feel really very blessed to get this golden opportunity to participate in this debate competition. Agriculture. Agriculture is an art which enlightens knowledge in a way to perform operations of farm in a very skillful way. It not only requires physical but also mental skills. It is a science of farming. Earlier, agriculture was just thought as a way of living. You can say subsistence agriculture. It was just thought as subsistence agriculture, but now the scenario is completely changed. People are treating it as a business. Yes, agriculture is now business. It is no longer subsistence agriculture, where production was just intended to meet the household demands. Now it is intended to earn more profit. More profit, more gains, more income, more productivity. But in this more sequence, the producer is always intended to lower his capital, and that is only possible by digital marketing. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing benefits businesses of all sizes by giving access to the mass market at a really very affordable price. It allows truly personalized banking. Truly personalized. I'm stressing on it. Truly personalized. Although it comes with a lot of challenges, yes, I accept. Challenges are there, but also advantages are more. Some of the major advantages include that a targeted audience can be reached in a cost-effective and measurable way. A targeted audience. Also, digitization keeps records of the previous transactions, processings, and marketing with the help of web analytics and various online metric tools that further help in the estimation of progress. It also helps to compare the data and statistics for more wider plannings and study and research. In an era when the internet has occupied almost every aspect of our lives, there are certain misconceptions about this, about digital marketing, certain misconceptions, myths. And the biggest one is that people think that if their business has to expand, if they want to expand their business, want their business to reach to a mass, then advertising becomes the necessity. If we fail to achieve the global adoption of new approaches like this one, then it will be somehow difficult for us to improve import-export activities between the leading countries. The ongoing health crisis, we all know, COVID-19, has affected all walks of life, including agriculture sector also. During this challenging time, ICAR, that is Indian Council of Agriculture Research, has issued some guidelines. It has issued some state-wise guidelines for farmers to be followed. The precision farming market is likely to increase in the long term after COVID-19, as it makes possible to monitor the state of crops while not being individually present there, or thus minimizing the need to contact other people. That is the current demand of the situation. It is the crucial one during this COVID pandemic. Digital marketing and technology help to obtain greater output in this very pandemic situation when there is a shortage of labor as well as capital. We are well aware of it. So now not wasting much of your time, I just like to thank you for giving me your precious time and listening to my views on this very topic. I'd like to thank you all, and I wish you a very happy, productive, and encouraging day. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.